Hi everybody, my name is Ishal and today I'm gonna show you why I hate the SpongeBob crying sound. Everyone, alert, alert! SpongeBob crying sound detected. No more annoying sounds like SpongeBob crying sound. I hate this sound very much and it makes me wanna close my ears. Fine, I just hate this sound. Still, my father was right. It is a silly sound.
Good, because it's a silly sound.
Six reasons why the SpongeBob crying sound is bad. When you ever listen to the SpongeBob crying sound, your parents will think it's silly, and that's right. The crying sound was made by Victoria when she is 35, and she made this sound in 2003. SpongeBob SquarePants was made in May 1, 1999, but the video SpongeBob Heart Surgery was made in June/July 2019, and even showed the last part: sweet treats, ice cream, pink chocolate egg, cupcake, berry and cookie with orange filling. The sound can be heard in many videos, not only the Diana and Roma baby Christmas video, but the sound is also for the amazing digital Christmas babies, the baby JJ slide song, and the Boo Boo song, etc. I heard this sound from the baby JJ Coco Melon slide, and I closed my ears, so I went to another room to the office. If you hear this sound, what you have to do is ignore and go to the office, and what thing will happen in the video. Hello, it's me. The explanation. Why is the SpongeBob crying sound hated from everyone? Because if anyone hears it, it's a consequence of the sound, and the sound will give it an F. And why Victoria Selena is sad, because everybody hates this sound, but some people like it, but some people don't. This sound of crying comes in different effects, and the abnormal sounds of the SpongeBob video in 2019, a story of SpongeBob was made in 2024, which is the leap year, and the months are February, April, May, June, and August. On August 4th of 2025, I made a font-low version of the SpongeBob story, and it was shown in the green name with the purple bow tie, Ariel, Sentry Gothic, and the blue with the pink bow tie were crying and rescuing the patient who had the heart attack. Why is the crying sound annoying? Because it can make others close their ears and also cause concerns and anxiety, so that their parents get angry in the sound and the ear closing. This can help you understand why not to hear the worst crying sounds when it's not good. I hate this sound. I still hate this sound so much. I'm very bothered and it triggers me. Baby Holly Nimmons' crying sound makes me want to close my ears.